Dear students, let us discuss the equation of straight line concept. Until yesterday class, we have discussed equation of straight line passing through the midpoint. I mean locus point concept we have discussed already. Example 3, page 54. Today, let us discuss some remaining sums in exercise 3C. Exercise 3C is going on. Open page number 56. Let us discuss some questions now. Page 56. Page 56, exercise 3C, Roman number 156. Let us finish. Roman number 1, fifth question. Find the value of P if the straight lines find the value of P if the straight lines x plus P equal to 0 comma y plus 2 equal to 0 and 3x plus 2y plus 5 equal to 0, 3x plus 2y plus 5 equal to 0 are concurrent. This is simple question and easy question. X plus P equal to 0 means already x value given as P minus P given x plus P equal to 0, that is x equal to minus P, and y plus 2 equal to 0, that is y equal to minus 2. Substitute the values x and y in this line. 3x plus 2y plus 5 equal to 0. Sub in line L equal to 3x plus 2y plus 5 equal to 0. That implies 3 into minus P, 3 into minus P plus 2 into minus 2 plus 5 equal to 0. So minus 3P minus 4 plus 5. 3x plus 2y plus 5. Minus 3P plus 4 minus 4 plus 5 equal to 0. So equal to 0. Minus 4 plus 5 becomes 1. Minus 3P plus 1 equal to 0. It is 3P equal to 1. Therefore, P equal to 1 by 3. P equal to 1 by 3. Now, let us discuss the sixth question now. Find the area of triangle formed by the lines with coordinate axis. Formed by the lines with coordinate axis. First one, x minus 4y plus 2 equal to 0. Formula, I said the formula area of triangle formed by with a straight line ax plus b plus c equal to 0 and the coordinate axis is c square by 2 mod ab. Use the formula c square by 2 mod ab. Here a being 1, meaning x coefficient 1, b meaning -4, c meaning 2. So c square means 2 square here by 2 into 1 into -4 over modulus. So 2 get cancelled, 2 square times 2 by 4, that is 1 by 2. So area is 1 by 2 square unit. This is IMP 2 marks question. 1 by 2 square unit. Using this one, using the same formula, do the sum. Homework. Second question. Same question. Find the area of the triangle formed by coordinate axis with the line 3x minus 4y plus 12 equal to 0. 3x minus 4y plus 12 equal to 0. Apply the formula and do the sum. Now, successfully we have completed exercise 3C. Before exercise 3C, some examples and a theory, and exercise 3C Roman number 1 also have finished. Now, before going to discuss Roman number 2, first question, let us create the formula. According to theorem, I will handle the formula. Later, we can do the sums. Equation of straight line. Write the theorem. This is equation of straight line. Equation of straight line which meets the coordinate axis. Equation of straight line. A straight line meets coordinate axis A and B given. Find the equation of straight line when AB divided in the ratio 2:3. In the similar way, we can say that the equation of straight line which divides coordinate axis in the ratio m:n at x1 comma y1. m:n at x1 comma y1 is, write the formula, nx by x1. This is useful formula for objective also. Nx by x1 plus my by y1 equal to m plus n. Nx by x1 plus my by y1 is equal to m plus n. This is the equation of straight line which divides the coordinate axis in the ratio m:n at x1 comma y1. Draw a line like this. This is origin. This is x-axis. This is y-axis. A point P x1 comma y1. This is the equation of line which is intersecting the x-axis at capital A comma 0 and capital B 0 comma B. A point P x1 comma y1 at x1 comma y1, the AB divided in the ratio m:1. Then you will calculate the equation of line. This is the formula. So this is nothing but equation of line in intersect form. Write the formula. Equation of line in intersect form is x by a plus y by b equal to 1. X by a plus y by b equal to 1. Now, let it be first equation. Now, px1 comma y1. Using section formula I am writing. Using section formula, this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2 concept. Formula mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, comma m by 2 plus n by 1 by m plus n. Use the formula. So x1 comma y1 is equal to, here m meaning first letter into here x2 meaning 0. M into 0 plus n into first letter here. mx2, this is x1 y1. Don't confuse about this is x1 y1. Simply that is why I did not write the letters x1 y1. M into this one 0 plus n into a by m plus n formula, comma my2, meaning here mb, m into b plus here n into 0 by m plus n. So right now this is 0 plus na. Here write x1 is equal to na by m plus n, comma y1 is equal to mb by m plus n. Now you do one thing, whatever the values x1 and y1 we got here, since the point x1 y1 lie on the line 1, sub in 1. Because the x1 y1 lies on the line x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. So directly you can substitute instead of x this point and instead of y this point. Substituting here, 1 by a take common, 1 by a into na by m plus n for x1 plus, of course it becomes 1 only. So x1 y1 we got as, let us write a, not like this. Don't substitute directly now. Now get the value na is equal. Here you write the value, take cross multiplication here, m plus n, a you write, a is equal to m plus n into m plus n into x1 by n. Better to do this model, m plus n into x1 by n, and comma b is equal to, take cross multiplication, m plus n into y1, because the x1 y1 is a given point, m plus n into y1 by n. Now sub in 1. So instead of a you write this one, instead of b you write this one, x by m plus n into x1 by n plus y by m plus n into y1 by n equal to 1. Not here m, here m, m. Take n upside, nx by m plus n into x1 plus my by m plus n into y1 equal to 1. Now required equation of line you can write as, required equation of line is nx by x1 plus my by y1 equal to this m plus n taken as cross multiplication. It becomes nx by x1 plus my by y1 is equal to m plus n, because taken m plus n common and multiplied with 1, it becomes m plus n. So equation of line is nx by x1 plus my by y1 equal to m plus n. Using this formula, let us do Roman number 2 first question. Write the question, Roman number 2 first question. Among the first question 3 bits are there. First one I am discussing, a straight line leads axis, ax, es means coordinate axis, in capital A, comma capital B. Find equation of line. Find equation of line AB divided in the ratio divided in the ratio 2:3 at minus 5 comma 2. At minus 5 comma 2. As it is, you apply the formula. This is x1 comma y1 and this is m is to n. Write the formula and get the equation. Nx by x1 plus my by y1 equal to m plus n. What is n here? 3. 3x means x only. 3x by minus 5 plus my meaning 2y by 2 equal to 2 plus 3 because m plus n. Now minus, you should write in numerator, minus 3x by 5 plus y by 1 equal to 5. 2 plus 3. Take LCM as minus 5 minus 3x plus 5y whole by 5 equal to 5. Take cross multiplication. Minus 3x plus 5y equal to 25. Right? Required equation of line is, take minus that side, it becomes plus. So 3x minus 5y plus 25 equal to 0. 3x minus 5y plus 25 equal to 0. Do two sums homework, students. AB divides, same concept, AB divided in the ratio in the ratio 1:2 at minus 5 comma 4. Use the same formula. Third one, PQ bisects AB. Students, I think you know that bisecting means dividing to two equal parts, that is ratio 1:1 you take. That is hint I am giving, ratio equal to 1:1. Apply the formula and do the sum. 1:1. Next, let us discuss second question, Roman number 2. Find the equation of line passing through the points and also find the area of triangle with axis of coordinates. Find the equation of lines passing through minus 1 comma 2 and 5 comma minus 1. Also find area of triangle formed by chorded axis. Area of triangle formed by it means line. With the axis, simply I am writing axis means chorded axis only, x and y. Apply the formula c square by 2 mod ab after getting the equation of the line. Plenty of times we have discussed basic concepts also. Equation of straight line passing through 2 points is y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Apply the formula now. Y minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. into x minus x1. Here take this one as x1 y1 and this one as x2 y2. Y minus y1 meaning y minus 2 here. Here y2 minus y1 minus 1 minus 2 by 5 plus 1 into x minus x1 meaning x minus of minus 1 becomes x plus 1. That implies y minus 2 is equal to, this is minus 3 by 6 into x plus 1. Minus 3 by 6 will be dividing here 2 times, take cross multiplication. So it becomes 2y minus 4 is equal to minus x minus 1. That implies minus x taken this side, it becomes x plus 2y minus 4 plus 1 becomes minus 3 equal to 0. This is the required equation of line. Getting the required equation of line, we need to calculate area of triangle also. Apply the formula area of triangle is c square by 2 mod ab. So what is c square here? Minus 3 whole square by 2 mod ab. So 2 into 1 into 2. This is 9 by 4. That's all. 9 by 4 square units. 9 by 4 square units is the area of the triangle. Now let us discuss another lengthy sum is there. Example 3. Roman number 2, third question. Roman number 2, third question. A triangle, area 24 square units. A triangle, area 24 square units, having area 24 square units, formed by line and coordinate axis in first quadrant. Formed by line. Formed by line and coordinate axis in first quadrant. First quadrant means only positive area we should consider. Find equation of line if it passes through 3, 4. Find equation of line. If it passes through 3, 4. Find equation of line if it passes through 3, 4. Now let us discuss about this line. A triangle area he given 24 square units formed by line and coordinate axis. Draw a diagram like this. Capital A, capital A. This is origin 0, 0. Put here a comma 0 on x-axis and 0 comma b on y-axis. This is b, this is a. This is b. So area of formula, area of right angle triangle, we know that half into base into height, general area. This is right angle triangle, this is base A, height b. Area is write as half into base into height. Area is equal to half AB. That one he given how much? 24. Equate as a 24. So AB is equal to 48. Put it as equation 1. and find the equation of line passes through 3, 4. Let equation of line whenever a line intersect x-axis at a, 0 and intersect y-axis at 0, b, we need to consider the equation of straight line in intercept form is x by a plus y by b equal to 1. B write like this: x by a plus y by b equal to 1. Let it be second equation. This line passing through he given as 3, 4. Right here, since this equation 2 passing through 3, 4, apply here instead of x3, 3 by a plus 4 by b equal to 1. Taking cross multiplication, I mean taking LCM, you will be getting here 3b plus 4a is equal to ab. Taking cross multiplication, we will be getting 3b plus 4a is equal to ab. Let it be third equation. Okay, instead of AB we got as equation from equation 148. Apply the formula 3B plus 4A is equal to 48. Use equation 3. Let us discuss a formula. Formula I am discussing: a minus b whole square equal to a plus b whole square minus 4ab. A minus b whole square equal to a plus b whole square minus 4ab. Use the formula. That implies here consider as 4a plus 3b. Here 4a plus 3b I am writing. 4a plus 3b equal to 4a plus 3b equal to 48. Now apply 4a minus 3b whole square. Consider capital A as 4a and capital B as 3b. 4a minus 3b whole square as apply the formula 4a plus 3b whole square minus 4ab means 4 into 4a into 3b. That implies four a minus 3b whole square is equal to 4a plus 3b. Here we got as 48 whole square minus students 4 into 4 16, 16 3s are 48 into ab. AB meaning already we know that here 48. So 48 into 48 you write here. So directly you write here 48 whole square minus 48 into 48. 48 whole square minus 48 whole square becomes 0. Directly you write as 0. That implies 4a minus 3b equal to 0. This is fourth equation. Now third and fourth write side by side and do the calculation. 4a plus 3b equal to 48. And here you write 4a minus 3b equal to 0. 3b get cancelled. It becomes 8a. 8a equal to 48. Four a plus 3b adding and I am writing here 8a is equal to 48. So a is equal to 6. We know the product from 1, a is equal to 6. 6 into how much equal to 48 you think? So b is equal to 8. From 1 you write b is equal to 8. So instead of equation using 2, we can get the equation x by 6 plus y by 8 equal to 1. Now you write from 2. x by 6 plus y by 8 equal to 1. Now take LCM. For 6 and 8 it becomes 24 LCM. 6 4 times will be dividing. Here 4x plus 8 3 times 3y equal to 1. Therefore take cross multiplication. 4x plus 3y equal to 24. Hence the required equation of straight line. This is 4 marks question. Required equation of straight line is 4x plus 3y minus 24 equal to 0. This is the equation of straight line. 4x plus 3y minus 24 equal to 0 is the required equation of straight line. Now let us consider total 3 sums are there, depends upon the concurrent lines. Let us see example 4, 9 and 10. Example 4, page 55 now. Read the question. If ABC are arithmetic progression, if A comma B comma C are in arithmetic progression, then show that AX plus BY plus C is equal to 0. AX plus B plus C equal to 0 represents a family of concurrent lines. Represents a family of concurrent lines, and also find the point of concurrency. Also find the point of concurrency. First of all, you need to understand that condition of AP is 2B equal to A plus C. Condition of AP in 10th class, you have learnt that condition of AP is 2B equal to A plus C. 2B taken that side, you write as A minus 2B plus C equal to 0. So A into, try to understand, right, like this, A into 1 plus B into minus 2 plus C equal to 0. Now understood that AX plus B plus C equal to 0 is in the form of like this. This is of the form AX plus BY plus C equal to 0. That's all. Therefore, you can write if ABC are in AP, this represents a family of straight line and it's passing through a fixed point 1 comma minus 2. This represents a family of straight line. Family of concurrent lines. So whatever the point beside of x and whatever the point beside of y, they should be constant. That's all. It is enough. Concurrent lines and point of concurrency. Equal to 1 comma minus 2. That's all. 1 comma minus 2. Using the same concept, let us do Roman number 2, 9th question. Roman number 2, 9th question. if 3a plus 2b plus 4c equal to 0, if 3a plus 2b plus 4c equal to 0, then show that the equation ax plus ba plus c equal to 0 represents a family of concurrent lines, and also find the point of concurrency. Same concept you can understand. Given 3a plus 2b plus 4c equal to 0, we need to use the condition into the form of ax plus ba plus c equal to 0. So c should be in single way, not with 4 or 5 or anything. So divide by 4 you write. Three by 4 into a plus 2 by 4 into b plus c equal to 0. So this is of the form ax plus ba plus c equal to 0. So here a is constant, b is constant, and x is variable, y is variable. Here x is equal to 3 by 4, y equal to 2 by 4. You can understand that this represents any side, whatever the values beside a it is x, whatever the value beside y it is, beside b it is y. So you can think that the line represents a family of straight lines. This represents a family of straight lines, family of concurrent lines. And the point of concurrency is 3 by 4 comma 1 by 2 here. 2 by 4 meaning I had written as 1 by 2. 3 by 4 and 1 by 2 is the point of concurrency. Next, another example, another sum is there, same model, 10th question, Roman number 2, page 56. If a non-zero numbers, if non-zero numbers a comma b comma c a comma b comma c are in harmonic progression, then show that the equation represents x by a plus y by b plus 1 by c equal to 0. This is the equation represents a family of concurrent lines, and also find the point of concurrency. Also find the point of concurrency. Before going to discuss this one, we need to understand that the condition of harmonic progression, it is 2 by b equal to 1 by a plus 1 by c, reciprocal of arithmetic progression. Condition of harmonic progression. Two by b equal to 1 by a plus 1 by c, write like this. Taken this side 1 by a minus 2 by b plus 1 by c equal to 0, and compare with the line x by a plus y by b plus 1 by c equal to 0. This is of the form x by a plus y by b plus 1 by c equal to 0. Here 1 by c is a constant. In previous sums, simple c is constant. So therefore directly you can write this represents a family of straight line. This represents a family of concurrent lines and point of concurrence. Point of concurrence equal to whatever the x value is there here 1, and whatever the y value is there here it is minus 2. 1 comma minus 2 is the point of concurrence. Dear students, you have successfully completed exercise 3C Roman number 2 questions. Let us discuss Roman number 3 lengthy questions in next class.